Lasal Green Archers for beating the NU Bulldogs 78-73. The Green Archers are in the finals for a third straight season and will face the Fighting Maroons for the championship starting on Wednesday. We have Coach Tobex Robinson, Mike Phillips, Diego Cordell, and Earl Abadan. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Number 4, and you made it to the finals, so what's the testament for this?
Well, if you're going to define how our season went, it's really something that we should be grateful for. You know, again, that really tested the character of the team. And I think the biggest win for us is, you know, we let our faith, you know, guide us in this really, you know, challenging season. And what a way to end the eliminations. And also we have to give credit to NU for really not giving up until that final buzzer. It was really, you know, a nick and tuck affair, but you know, these guys really showed up. You know, they manned up and they were just they came out smarter, and especially in the second half.